A closed terrarium is a self-sustaining mini ecosystem where plants recycle water through evaporation and condensation, creating their own natural cycle. It maintains humidity, needs very little care, and is perfect for growing moss and tropical plant indoors. Beyond its beauty, it also helps reduce stress and brings a calming, nature inspired vibe to small spaces.
It's life in water, but instead of having aqua, we replace it with terra, which means land. And if you put both of them together, it's life on land.
Yeah, wow, Myra. So nothing but life in water is aquarium and life on land is terrarium. And that's how we are being healthy. So how playing with the soil is unhealthy, you tell? So it is very, very important. Hereafter, make sure at least 2 to 3 days in a week. Okay? Everyone in the house should do this. Even if it is just soil, especially the kids, what I would say, yes, get this one also. This might not work. So when you are making closed terrarium, make sure you are not using anything colorful. If you are using, that should be of good quality, like whatever, all these miniatures and all, they are from resin. So they are good quality, the color will not discolor. But any stone like these kinds which are not colored well, it might get discolored within a month or two. Okay? So try to fit it here and there wherever you want. Up to you. So you guys can distribute, you can tape. This thing. Yeah, you can, don't put the full thing.
Spray, you need to.
Yeah, spray generously. It will depend on.
Only the soil or the plants? Only the soil.
Wow, so pretty it is looking, see?
I'm done with mosses, I think so.
You can water spray if you feel that you are done.
I think so.
So last time I had the just
three right now. Enough?
yeah, that is more than enough.
Wow.
ചില്ലല്ലേ
The cats cry, but then every time they see a plant, they feel like I should literally take a bite of it just to see whether it is good or bad. And if there's something like, they gonna maybe.
I think it went inside?
Yes.
Yeah.
So to take more, you have to put at least 3 to 4.
Okay. 3 to 4. Okay. Done.